Sacred Heart and Prendeville. Prendeville's the tallest fella, he's gone right through the field now. Can he maintain the rage all the way around is the question. Big long-legged fella, nice technique. Gets the 200 metre mark and he's pretty much got the field stitched up outside and inside him. At that one bend to go, we'll see how good he looks when he gets to the top of the straight. So it's the Prendeville College runner, well ahead of the whole field. Done the field of pain now, but he's worked so hard, he's just got to maintain some form. Bit of cadence and length of stride as he comes up the straight. He's got a good gap ahead of him now, might be just saving himself from the relay, I don't know. But coming through strongly is the Corporal Christie runner, he's done well, he's passed all the others. So to come to the line first, Prendeville, one in the first 200, finishes off here on the